Thank you for the heart spreading on my screen. Thank you so much for the love. The weather here is not sunny and it's cloudy. It's not so sunny and it's cloudy. So that's the weather here. Hello, my 5 viewers. Thank you for my live stream. So anybody's busy at work? Tomorrow, I wash the clothes and I'm not making a live stream tomorrow. My hair is cute. Foot maniac. Yeah, it's clean. Thank you for coming. So you're not busy? Alingiing. Did you know alingiing? I feel hot even if the weather is hot. Hot, hot. Even the weather is cloudy. 7 viewers. Ino, everlasting. Hello. Thank you for coming my live stream. My hair is sweet because it's time to taking a bath. James Cruz. Yes, 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 James Cruz. Si Vinegar Sauce. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the love. Si Vinegar Sauce. So why it's Vinegar Sauce? Your name. Your sauce is vinegar. Thank you, my 6 viewers. Haha, yeah, that's why your name is vinegar because your sauce is vinegar too. My hair is short, but they long fast. I miss my hair long before, but they have a color. This one is don't have a color. Can you stand up for a minute, please? Okay, for a minute. I'm not tall, I'm small lady. My height is, I think, is 5 flat. 5 flat. age? My age is 30 more. My age is 30 more. What you say? Flip-flop? I can only wearing a flip-flop for you, Zegino. Thank you for coming, my member. Ship series Zegino. I will wearing now, but it's up. Is this one flip-flop like only this one? Thank you, Zegino. Thank you for coming my live stream and my membership. Thank you. So anyone, thank you everyone for coming my live stream. I feel I feel hungry. I don't have eating. I'm not yet done. I'm not yet eating breakfast. I mean lunch break. Lunch. Lunch, yeah. It's a lunch. I eat later. Later after this go after this after or before after before this live stream. Do you have heels that you can put on and cross your legs? Yeah, I have heels here, but I cannot wear for today's live streaming. Sorry, James Crows. Thank you for Maniacs. Thank you so much. Thank you for the love is spreading on my screen. Somebody's busy, so they don't catch my live streaming. But anyway, if you want to go and kanang touch my live streaming or videos, just click the notification bell. That's it for the updated videos and live stream. But if you don't click the notification bell, it's fine. But you cannot catch the live streaming for me. That's it. Because you don't see what's the latest. The latest ability. Yes. You understand what I'm saying? That's the purpose of the notification bell for the updated videos and live stream. Thank you for this love spreading on my screen. It's a lot of heart spreading on my screen. Thank you so much. So anyway, I end my live stream because I'm hungry. I want to eat breakfast. I mean lunch break. Yes. So I end my live stream now. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much everyone. So bye bye everyone. Thank you for the like and share and do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Take her to Ryuzeno. Thank you, thank you.